Here we are stood outside Wembley Stadium station, incredibly proud as we come to the end of the biggest season ever. It's the last night, over 50 events, Chiltern Railways, Carlisle Support Services, working together as one team, and super proud to be nominated for this Spotlight Rail Award 2026.
It hasn't just been the Carlisle team, or it hasn't just been the Wembley Children team. We've been one team together.
And one team has meant that we can really deliver for customers who are at the heart of our planning and delivery here at Wembley. What we've done this season is given our customers a safe and efficient way to travel to Wembley Stadium and a way that they can rely on. So we've delivered consistently for them. They're at the heart of our operations, and it's our one team goal to make the experience for customers, event goers, as safe and as enjoyable as possible. Every event we want customers to get home safely with a smile on their face, and that is what we've delivered as part of the Wembley Stadium Station major events team.
Absolutely.
And here we are today at Wembley on our last event this season. We did 51 events and 26 concerts.
That's right, Kat. So the biggest and best Wembley season. Chiltern Railways here at Wembley Stadium Station has carried 750,000 people. That's about 30% up on last season. We've also had 260 event shifts for our event hosts at Chiltern. So a great season. So Wembley 2025, it's a wrap.